Okay, I just wanted to take a minute to talk about more tech. So what is different, what's intriguing about this? So here's the thing that I love. I work with kids, I work with adults. For the last few years, I've been helping develop prototypes for people. This is a toy. I'm not going to lie, it's a toy. It's a fun toy. It's something fun to play with. It's pieces that you can construct. You can put all of these together in a variety of ways. So, I mean, just putting together a simple square is fun. I have a little construction that I've made, and that's amazing. But that same construction can become this. So we've got a robot. We have a few more components that we've added. Same square, same size. Same square, we've got wheels, a couple of simple motors, an Arduino with a motor shield, and a battery pack. And that's it. And now we have a robot. Got sensors in the front. Very simple piece that I could prototype in a matter of a few minutes, really. But that becomes this. Same square, same pieces. We've added, obviously, some different motors in this. But we're still working with an Arduino. We're still running that programming. We're building off the same platform. It's not like those other toys that are out there. You know, once you get into the technical side with a lot of these engineering toys, it becomes a different platform. This is the same platform, whether it's my 5-year-old who's creating construction, or my 12-year-old who's working on her first robot, or me on a weekend putting together a drone because I need a drone. Or me at my studio working with a client, developing a prototype as rapidly as possible, using the same components that are very familiar, that are easily manipulated, that I can make do anything I want, whether it's a moving joint or a motor mount or anything that I can imagine. Really, I can make those out of these. And the best part is, if there's a component that I really need that doesn't seem to be here in the kit, well, I can custom make my own. I can 3D print a component using these parameters and develop that very easily. That's rapid prototyping. That's about as rapid as you could get. So again, the thing that impresses me the most is that this is not just a toy, it's an engineering tool for every age. It doesn't matter if it's your youngest kids, or your middle kids, or your dad kids, or your business. MOREtech, it's a great product.